Hi, this is a demo video for the Whodunit activity in the Assess Your Skills section for Unit 7. To begin this activity, you'll go to the Assess Your Skills section at the end of the sections, and you'll want to click the Whodunit banner under Activity Number 2. And once you click this banner, you'll be asked to create a copy in your drive. When you open this activity, this is the screen that you will see. You'll want to click on this arrow down here on the left to maximize your screen, and you can also click on this arrow up here on the top. So this is the Whodunit activity, the case of the missing sandwich. So you'll proceed to the next slide by moving the wheel on your mouse or by scrolling down. You're given the background of the story and the directions of how to navigate the detective notebook. When you proceed to the next page, you see these tables with a list of suspects, a list of math tools, and a list of locations. And when you proceed to the next page in the detective notebook, there's a list of questions that you have to solve in order to figure out the answer to the mystery. So once you solve a question, so if I was to solve the first question here, I go back to the first page in my detective notebook and I find that answer in one of my tables here. So say for example, I determined that 1/9 was my answer, then I would grab a marker and I would place that over 1/9. I would go back to the questions again in the detective notebook. I would answer the next question. So you would do your workings on scrap paper in an exercise book, on loose leaf, get the answer to the next question, and then proceed back again, and then drag another marker. So you would continue doing that. As you do that, you're eliminating possible suspects, math tools, and locations. When you're finished all the questions, one suspect, one math tool, and one location will remain. And those that remain are the answer to the question down below. Whoever the remaining suspect is, that's what goes in the first blank. So if I had Miss Tizard, I would drag that one down here. Whichever math tool was left over, so say I had calculator left over, I would place that there. And then they stole the sandwich from the fridge and found eating it in the, say, the staff room was left over, I would place that there. Okay. Once you're finished, you can then proceed back to Brightspace, and you can check your answers against the answer key. The detailed solutions will be there for each individual question. Have fun!